someone who has a Revel, and I have the Sport. There's kind of a design flaw in here, in my opinion, on these wires for the toilet. The toilet pulls in and out here, and these wires are just like sitting here. And it's kind of annoys the shit out of me, because it's like, why did they do that? You know, why didn't they just maybe put a hole in here and put these through, and then put some protection on them? And I don't know, it just kind of annoys me that these wires are just kind of sitting here haphazardly. So I'm actually going to go in here and do a little redesign on this and get these wires somewhat protected. So here is the after. You can see I actually tucked the wires all back. They're all now cased in that plastic stuff. I went all the way up. See if I can get in here on this. I went all the way up as far as I could go. I tied them all back with wire ties, little sticky ones, and I put the wire up here, up higher, so it clears the toilet now. So when I put the toilet in, do this with one hand. When I put the toilet in, you can see that wire is well far away, so especially the one inside too. Is well away and nothing hits. So that's kind of what I was looking for. This even drove me nuts on my other one. I had the same problem. The wires were just out exposed. Why they do that, I have no idea. To me, it's just laziness. Not on the people working there, but on Winnebago. Like, you know, they should just say, hey, look, you know, cover the wires. And then what I'm going to probably do, once the warranty's up, I'm going to cut a hole here and here, and then snake the wire through. I'll disconnect this. I'll disconnect this. This actually just has a connector there. I'll take it off and then run the wires through there and make it neater. But this will do for the next few months.